Hi friends, Namaste and welcome back to our YouTube channel Tutor Pratik. In today's CSS session, we are going to learn about CSS form styling. By using CSS form styles, we can make our HTML forms attractive and improve design. So on today's CSS session, we are going to learn styling input fields with adding padding, borders, colors, unfocused pseudo classes, embedding icons or images, animated search input fields, and more styling for text areas, select, and button form element. So I hope this session will going very interesting and informative for all. That's why please keep watching our video till end. And before we start, if you still haven't subscribed to our YouTube channel, please do subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell button that it will be notified whenever we publish our new session videos. Now let's begin today's session. The look of an HTML form can be greatly improved by CSS stylings. CSS is the best way to present web elements with better styling designs on our web page. And first, let's add one HTML form in our web page. Here, as default, we have fixed width of our text boxes, but by using the CSS form style, we can give any width size of our text boxes. For this, on our style tag, let's give width property for input element. Input width 100%. Now we can see that our input text box has now 100% size width, which will auto-resize as per our device width size. Here we just use the input as main element, so all the input types like text, number, password, email, etc. will be affected by this CSS property. But if you want to make specific input type like only for text box, we can change this input element as input brackets type equal to text. This makes only for text boxes. Here our text boxes are little bit congested contents, so for making better display with adding inner and outer space, we can use the margin padding like properties on here. For this, padding 12 pixel, 20 pixel, margin 8 pixel, 0, box sizing, border box. Here we added border sizing, border box to make sure that the padding and eventually borders are included in the total width and height of the element. You can learn more details about box sizing on our previous session video related to CSS box model. The video link is added in the video description and also in the I button. Now let's make border style for text boxes. For that, let's give some CSS properties. Border 2 pixel, solid, red. Border radius 4 pixel. Now we have red color border with 4 pixel rounded corners. If you want to give some different styles like giving borders for top and bottom only, you can use border top and bottom properties instead of using the border min property. You can find the detailed information about border and rounded border from our previous video about border property. The video links can be found in this video's description and also in the I button. Now let's give some background color for our text boxes. Background color deep sky blue. Here our text boxes got deep sky blue background color. We can make changing the background color of text boxes only when it got focus. For this, we have to give focus pseudo class for our input element. For this, in our input type text, focus, and inside the pseudo class, let's change the background color to deep sky blue. Now we can see that the background color of text box gets changed only when it got focused. If you want an icon inside the input, We can use background image property and background position property to fix its position on our input text box. For doing this, let's add following CSS properties: background image URL, background position 10 pixel 10 pixel, background repeat no repeat, padding left 40 pixel. Now we have small icon on our left side of text box. Along with this, for making more stylish, we can use transition property for creating animated text box. For this, let's add transition property on our input text box. Transition width 0.5s is in out, and let's make its width to 130 pixels. Now let's make some changes on input width on its focus state. Width 100%. Now we can see that when the text box got focused, it changed its width size too. As well as input types, we can also give styles for our other form elements like text area. For this, let's add one text area element in our HTML body, and let's give the following CSS properties for our text area element. Width 100%, height 150 pixel, padding 12 pixel 20 pixel, box sizing border box, border 2 pixel, solid, color has CCC, border radius 4 pixel, background color has F8 F8 F8, resize none. Similarly, we can also style drop-down menus too. Let's add one drop-down menu and give some CSS properties for styling it. As well as the drop-down menu, let's give some styles for our submit button too. Now we have stylish HTML form design. In this way, by using various CSS and property styles for our web elements, we can make our web pages attractive and alive. That's all for today. We will come back soon with more interesting videos. Until then, take care and goodbye.